Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install DeepSeek R1 AI Assistant. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Play Store. And once you open it, you should click on the search icon right here. Then you should search for DeepSeek. It's in fact very simple and it is totally free. Once you search for it, here you will find this one right here with this whale icon or whale logo. You just have to click on install or download. And once you download it, you'll have just to click on open. And once you open it, here you will find this option right here, DeepThink R1. And now I'll ask it to make something for me. Then click on this R right here, and now I have asked it about a gaming video idea about a trendy game. So it's just thinking with you, so you can actually use it in so different ways. And down below, when you go more and more, it will show you the script of the video itself and how will it be conducted. So this is how easy it is, and this is how we can use the AI. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.